Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Techie Talks AI. Today we are diving into a fascinating project that combines the power of AI with medical imaging. We all know that theory is great, but seeing a working application is 1,000 times better. That is why I'm excited to walk you through this medical imaging analysis app. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several Make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. Built with Streamlit and Agno, powered by some of the most advanced AI models available today. This application is designed to assist healthcare professionals and students in analyzing medical images, providing insights and detailed reports. It's a powerful example of how AI can be a valuable tool in medical field. And the best part, we are going to break down the code so you can understand exactly how it works. Don't worry if you are not a coding expert. I will guide you through it step by step. A link to the full source code will be available in the video description, so you can explore it at your own pace. Before we start, a quick but an important disclaimer. This tool is for educational and informational purpose only. It's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professionals for any medical concerns. Now let's take a look at the application itself. So here you can drag and drop or upload an image. I have already uploaded an X-ray of a palm. So it has given the technical assessment here. We have a clean and intuitive interface. On the left you have the controls, and here you can choose the AI models, whether OpenAI or Gemini. You can also use Gemini 2.5 Pro. And the main area is where it will give you the analysis report. And the interesting part is here you can ask anything about the uploaded image. And on the left side, we have some sample questions that you can ask for reference. Okay, and there is an export chat option, and your previous sessions are available for you to choose from. You can also rename the session so that you can easily identify them. Let's see it's working. Let's start by uploading an X-ray. So let me click a new session, new chat, and upload an X-ray image. And it's okay. So I've added some additional contextual information about the patient. Okay, I don't understand what it says, but this is the idea. Now that we saw what this application can do, we will look at two main files. One is app.py, which focuses on Streamlit UI, web UI. And another is medical_agent.py, which handles the AI part of it. So let's first see the medical_agent.py. Lines 1 to 7 are imports. So line 9 to 15 is where we initialize the database and the agent. And here we are using the PostgreSQL database, which is running separately. Remember, the code, a link to the code is given in the description, where you will get the command to run the Postgres database. So this is where we define the agent. And we are specifying the DB so that agent is able to maintain the conversation history. So here we have the detailed prompt. And this is the crucial part. You can adapt this to suit your specific use case. That is it. It returns this agent object. And then the app.py is where we define the web interface using Streamlit. Again, in the beginning, we have the imports. Here we are defining a list of models that we want the user to be able to choose from. And anytime we make a change in the model selection, this function gets called. Then the main section where we define the title, subtitle, and the disclaimer. Remember, when you build medical application, always keep this disclaimer visible to prevent the user from using it as a medical advice tool. Okay, so this is the drop down to choose the models that we see on the sidebar. This is the model selection. Then the image upload area. So this is where we can upload the image or drag and drop the image. See, Streamlit makes it very easy to build such applications. And additional context that we see here. So if a file has been uploaded, the analysis begins. And we have covered a number of videos on how Streamlit works. So Agno Utils Streamlit has the display chat messages handy function. Okay. So concluding, we have seen how this medical imaging analysis app works from its user interface to the powerful AI agent working behind the scene. I hope this inspires you to build your own amazing AI-powered apps. Remember, the link to the code is in the description. Be sure to check it out, play around with it, and maybe even try to extend its functionality. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future projects. If you have any questions or ideas, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy coding. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert NoCodeMake.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.